This right here is the golden rule. So what did this new law really do? Why even create it? Well, it set up a brand new, specialized court just for these kinds of cases. It's kind of like if you have a heart problem, you don't go to a general doctor, you go to a cardiologist, right? This law created an expert forum, gave it the exclusive power to decide, and said its decisions were final. It basically put up a big no-entry sign for all the other courts.
After 21 long years, the case finally makes it to the High Court. But after all that time, the court wasn't focused on who was right or wrong way back in 1992. Its focus was on something way more fundamental.
This was the one question that mattered. Since that new law had stripped the original court of its power, could any decision it made actually be valid? Could it even look at the facts, the merits of the case, if it never really had a ticket to the game to begin with?
And the answer from the High Court was a clear, loud, and absolute no. This right here is the golden rule. It's the big takeaway. The court ruled that if you don't have jurisdiction, you are powerless. You cannot look at the evidence, you cannot hear arguments, and you sure can't issue a judgment that means anything. The doors are locked, the game is over before it starts.
This table just lays it out perfectly. Look at the left column, a court with jurisdiction. Everything it does is valid, legal, and its decisions are binding. Now look at the right, a court without jurisdiction. Everything it does is invalid. Any judgment it issues is what's called a legal nullity, which is just a fancy way of saying it's completely void. It's as if it never even happened.